Hey, yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Cinco, back with another one. I'm about to break down how I made $500 today trading US30. I'm gonna show you what I was looking for in this setup, my risk management during the process. I'm just gonna break everything down. We ain't even gonna waste no time. Let's get right to it. Yo, so check this out. We got US30 on the daily chart. On the daily chart, clear uptrend. There's no argument there. Clear uptrend on the daily. All I did this week was I took a fib from this low push here, from this low to this high. Simple fib. And I wanted to see earlier this week on like Tuesday, Wednesday, I wanted to see us have some type of rejection off of this 50% retracement or the 61.8. Either one of these. I wanted to see price reject off of here and then bounce up. We didn't get that move. We did not get that move. So I was very patient this week waiting for a trade. So I didn't really take a trade earlier in the week. What I did was I just waited. I waited. I didn't want to get quite bearish yet on this setup because we had not broken this structure. We had these lows here, structure did not break. We did not get a candle closure underneath these lows. Now, if we would have got a candle closure underneath these lows here, I would have been looking for bearish setups for the remainder of the week, going into next week and everything. But however, like I said, we didn't get that closure. So I still looked for bullish setups even through to today. And let me show you where I found today's setup. So today I dropped down to the 30-minute. Let's drop down to the 30-minute so I can show y'all exactly what I saw. All right, let's pull this. Let's zoom into this here. Zoom into this 30-minute section here. So what we had going on pre-market, pre-New York session this morning, when I woke up, this run had happened. Pre-New York session. I woke up, price was fluctuating on this candle here. So all I did was took another fib on the small time frames here. I went from this low point here, I pushed to this high. Like I said, these candles hadn't formed yet. All we had was this blue candle here. So I took the high of that candle, and all I wanted to do is I wanted to see price come down to that golden zone again between the 50% retracement and the 61.8. My golden zone, I wanted to see price show some type of rejection. Some type of rejection off of this golden zone. And we got it starting to on this candle here. This candle started forming, left this big wick. And that was clear enough for me to say, you know what? Let's go ahead and take this entry. We're going to have a stop loss right below these lows, these previous low here. Because I knew if price broke through these lows, it's probably going to go bearish as well. And that's either way, I just wanted to get out of the trade. I didn't want to be in it. I was originally targeting the 200 period moving average right here. However, price flew through there. Price initially just flew through the 200. So all I did was I just started trailing my stops. I had my stops to break even at this point once it moved. Once I trailed to break even at this point is when we crossed over the 200. However, I also wanted to secure some profit because I knew it's Friday. I'm not going to hold this trade over the weekend. I'm not going to lie. I thought about it. I really did think about it. But this just tells you, I mean, you got to stick to your trading plan. I don't have swing trading inside of my trading plan. So it's like me holding that trade would have been breaking the rules. And usually when I break my rules, bad things happen. I lose money. I was up 500 at one point. I was up 500 on this trade. Now, if I would have tried to hold it into next week and over the weekend, ain't no telling what could have happened next week. I could have looked up on Monday, Tuesday, price and pulled back to break even. It's like, dang, I could have had $500 profit, but I didn't never take profit or secure nothing. And that's happened to me way too many times. I don't know if it's happened to you, but for me, I hate when I'm in profit and I don't take it, and then I turn around and I'm in drawdown or break even. That's why I hate swing trading. Well, I ain't gonna say hate it, but that's why it just don't really work out for me and my psychology. I just can't stand it. So, I went ahead and closed out today. I took profit. Pretty much, like I said, I trailed stops. All I did was, at this point here, once this candle started closing and it closed, I moved my stop up to this point. As this candle was forming and price was up here, I knew if I didn't want to just leave nothing on the table. It was almost 1 o'clock anyway in Arizona, and the market closes at 2 o'clock our time here. So I was just like, you know what? let me go ahead and just secure the joint. I had my stop loss up here all the way in profit. And as price on this wick started pulling back here and formed this bottom wick, it ended up taking me out the trade at $500 profit. So I was cool with that. Like I said, not holding that thing over the weekend. It's just me following my rules. A lot of people would probably say they would have held this over the weekend. And, you know, if that's your rules, that's your rules. But make sure you follow your rules and don't be doing what everybody else is telling you to do. You know what I'm saying? Stick to your plan and what you got going on. So that's a breakdown of today's trade of how I made $500 on US30. And to show you on the screen here, we have live account, trade locker. This is the live broker. You see, live account. Live account. I'll even refresh it here real quick for you, just so you can trade locker loading up. You see, live account, live account. It would say demo if it was a demo, but like I said, everything's live. No reason to lie to you. So we go to close positions. Let's go to the day, and you will see we have US30 on a one lot with a $500 winner. After the fee, it was $493 net P&L. So that is the setup for today. Like I said, it was pretty clean, pretty smooth, straightforward. Nothing really crazy, nothing really complicated on this setup. All we're gonna do is, like I said, we're gonna prepare for next week. Still looking for bullish setups on US30, and we're gonna take what they give us. And nothing more, nothing less. Simple as that. Stick to your trading plan. And I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.